Starbucks who? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share another quarantine find with you guys. So basically, I am the biggest matcha drinker. I would do a local coffee shop matcha, Starbucks matcha, and during quarantine I was just like, okay, it's not realistic to go and be spending like anywhere from $4 to $6 on a matcha every day when I know I can make it here at home just with a couple simple things. So the biggest thing was that I didn't actually know all of the like calories and carbs that went into like a Starbucks traditional matcha, which is wild. So basically I put everything into like a fitness app, and basically this matcha has 1 gram of protein, but you could add protein powder. I have done that in the past, and it works great, but it has 5 carbs and 30 calories. So let me just, I had to share that with you guys. So there's a couple different like sugar alternatives. Personally, I use non-dairy milk. So this is non-dairy, low carb, and sugar free. You're welcome, you're welcome. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So there you guys have it, your own matcha at home, safe in quarantine and everything like that. But before I leave, I wanted to share with you guys what this actually like is at Starbucks, which just blew me away in terms of macros. So a grande, mind you, we made a venti today, but 240 calories, 7 grams of fat, 34 carbs. I want to cry because oof, I got a lot of ventis and this is a grande, and 12 grams of protein. So I'm just saying, why didn't we get onto this sooner, people? Because 34 grams of carbs in a drink, that's messed up. Starbucks, why we have goals, Starbucks. But $1 low carb matcha. Let me know if you make it in the comments below. And I'm telling you, the milk frother is a game changer. I'm gonna link the one that I got below because it has it in the cold setting, which game changer for sure. So enjoy, matcha cheers. I'll see you guys later. Bye.